Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this Spigen product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Want to give Spigen a huge shout out for sending me the 01 natural titanium case for my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. And by the end of the video, hopefully you will pick one up as well. Just hit the link down below in the description area and it'll send you on over to the Spigen website. I'll leave an Amazon link as well. So let's get a good look at the packaging here. Spigen, something you want. Mag fit for MagSafe for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Ultra hybrid one tap metal ring. And you can see the name of the case right there on the back. A lot of information. So please read everything. All right, let's do this. I got to tell you, man, you want to look at the inside of your S24 Ultra without tearing it apart? Well, there you go. That right there, folks, I dig it. Nice, soft, matte texture on the inside to protect the back of your S24 Ultra. We got some flex, hard plastic polycarbonate shell back there along the sides, bottom, top. You got TPU material. Solid, yet we have that flex. All cutouts will be precise. That is a good looking case. Wow. Yeah, I'm digging that. All right, so let's put on the case. Very nice and simple. On the back, you can see that we have 3 individual cutouts for the 3 larger cameras and 1 bigger single cutout for the 2 cameras and flash. You got a lot more depth going on with this cutout here. As far as the 3 cutouts for these 3 cameras, little bit of depth going on there. Give you a close-up of that area. I would probably invest in bringing in some camera glass protectors, especially for those of you that are going to sit down on a semi-rough or really rough surface. But on a flat surface like this, you're good to go. Use your judgment. Up top, we got 2 single cutouts for the 2 top mics. At the bottom, you can see a single bottom mic to the right of the USB Type-C charging port. Large cutout to expose those areas. A nice cutout with a little bit of depth there for the speaker grill, and we have a big cutout for the S Pen, and that's going to be very easy, very simple to get out and utilize that tool. As you can see, the Spigen brand name on the left-hand side of the case. The TPU material on the sides, very, very grippy. Okay, Spigen's given everything they can as far as that grippiness that a lot of you want. You just got to do your part, and that's hold on with a tight grip. On the right-hand side, you have your power button nicely covered up. Very nice and responsive. And your volume rocker, nice and responsive. No issues going on there. Up top, a little bit of a recessed area right there to expose the combo earpiece and speaker. Plenty of lip up top, bottom, and along the sides. I am sporting a film screen protector. I will be bringing in some tempered glass screen protectors as well, which is going to give you a lot more protection of sitting down on a really rough surface. With a film screen protector, flat surface, a little bit of a rough surface, you're good to go. I always say use your discretion. But Spigen is giving you plenty of lip to work with here. Wireless charging. Let's do this. Bam. And now we're going to test out the magnet for MagSafe back there. Just get a good look at the back there. The inside of my S24 Ultra. It's pretty cool. All right, I have my Anchor magnetic wireless charging pad here, And let's check out the magnetic strength of the case here, the magnet for MagSafe. And yeah, that's very, very strong. The magnetic attraction is definitely there. And what we want to see, though, is that right there. Bam. Yeah, that looks great. That is sweet. But more importantly than that, you got a case here from Spigen that's going to protect your investment. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace. I'm out.